Hi there. Welcome to Vectary, the online 3D modeling tool that runs in your browser. I'm going to show you how to use lights and environments to create beautiful renders the easy way. Let's start with your model on the scene. Select an environment that fits well with your project. Open the Object Library and pick one from the Environments tab. An environment, or HDR, sets a mood for your project, changes the background and the overall coloring of your model. You can change its parameters from the side panel. Here, you can change its rotation, intensity, and adjust shadows. If you don't want shadows under your model, simply choose your background to either keep the one that goes with an environment or click Color and pick the one you like. You can also import an image, for example, a gradient, and place it in the background. If you want to add a shadow, click the 3D Assets tab and type Backdrop in the search field. Click the one that is best for your project. You can resize and move it if necessary. Now let's move on to lights. Lights can really improve and dramatically change a scene. You can find them in the Object Library when clicking the Lights tab. Drag them on the scene and rotate them with the gizmo. Let me show you the different types of lights we have and what they look like. The sphere light acts like a sun. It shines all around. Its light is cast from one point. The spotlight is like a table lamp. The light source comes from one point and it casts a cone-shaped light onto your scene. The tube light is projected from a line. You can modify the length of the tube with the gizmo. The directional light creates a beam of light with sharp border. The rectangle light is casting from the plane, so its shadow is soft on the model. The hemisphere light is a smooth, double-sided light, and both of its sides can be modified separately. You can edit each of these lights in the side panel. You can choose a color, change the intensity and size of the light, and select whether you want the light to cast a shadow or not. To get a gradient light effect on your scene, use the hemisphere light. If you want more advanced control, simply drag and drop two lights on the scene and choose the color and intensity for both. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Check out our tutorial playlist to learn more about using Vectary, and let us know in the comments what other in-depth tutorials you would like to see. If you want some advice on how to use Vectary, join our community on Spectrum. It will be linked in the description box.